Apple cider vinegar has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its many potential health benefits. This versatile vinegar can be used for cooking, cleaning, and even as a natural remedy for various health issues. However, with so many different brands and types of apple cider vinegar available, it can be challenging to know which one to choose. In this video, we'll explore what to look for in a quality apple cider vinegar and recommend some of the best options on the market. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from fermented apples. During the fermentation process, the natural sugars in the apples are converted into alcohol. Then, a second fermentation process converts the alcohol into acetic acid, which gives the vinegar its characteristic sour taste and strong odor. Apple cider vinegar contains several beneficial compounds, including acetic acid, probiotics, and polyphenols. These compounds have been linked to various health benefits, such as reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and regulating blood sugar levels. What to look for in a quality apple cider vinegar? When shopping for apple cider vinegar, there are a few key factors to consider to ensure that you're getting a quality product. Here are some things to look for. Raw and unfiltered. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar contains the mother, which is a cloudy, cobweb-like substance that forms during the fermentation process. The mother contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes that are thought to provide some of the health benefits associated with apple cider vinegar. Look for a product that is labeled as raw and unfiltered to ensure that you're getting the mother in your vinegar. Organic. Choose an organic apple cider vinegar to avoid exposure to pesticides and other chemicals that may be used in non-organic apple production. Organic apple cider vinegar is made from organic apples, and the production process must adhere to strict standards set by the USDA. Non-GMO. Make sure your apple cider vinegar is made from non-GMO apples. This ensures that the apples were not genetically modified, which may have negative health and environmental impacts. Acidity level. The acidity level of apple cider vinegar is measured by its pH. A quality apple cider vinegar should have a pH between 4 and 5, which is slightly acidic but not too harsh on the stomach. Avoid vinegars with a pH below 4, as they may be too acidic and cause digestive discomfort. Best apple cider vinegar brands. Now that you know what to look for in a quality apple cider vinegar, here are some of the best brands on the market. Bragg Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar. Bragg is one of the most well-known and respected brands of apple cider vinegar. Their organic raw apple cider vinegar is made from organic apples and contains the mother. It's also non-GMO, gluten-free, and has a pH of 3.075, which is within the recommended range. Dynamic Health Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar. Dynamic Health's Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar is another great option. It's made from organic apples, contains the mother, and is non-GMO. It also has a pH of 3.1, which is slightly more acidic than Bragg's but still within the recommended range. Vermont Village Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. Vermont Village's organic apple cider vinegar is made from organic apples and is non-GMO. While it's not labeled as raw or unfiltered, it does contain the mother. Its pH is 3.3, which is still within the recommended range. Vitacost's Organic Apple Cider Vinegar is another quality option. It is made from organic apples, contains the mother, and is non-GMO. Its pH level falls within the recommended range. When choosing an apple cider vinegar, look for a raw and unfiltered product that contains the mother. Opt for organic and non-GMO varieties to ensure the highest quality and avoid exposure to pesticides and genetically modified ingredients. Additionally, check the acidity level to ensure it falls within the recommended range for optimal digestion. Bragg, Dynamic Health, Vermont Village, and Vitacost are all reputable brands that offer high-quality apple cider vinegar options. However, it's important to note that individual preferences may vary, and it's always a good idea to read customer reviews and compare different brands before making a final decision. We hope this video was informative and that you'll be well equipped to find the best apple cider vinegar that suits your needs and preferences. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below or watch this next video on the right.